An amazing town called Moama. It's a regional country town on the border of Victoria and New South Wales. It really has taken what we call the circular economy and put it into practice. I'd like to show you a couple of great examples where recycled plastic has been used in the township Moama. Replas recycled plastic decking called Enduro-plank has been used in the adventure playground. The Enduro-plank has an R10 slip resistance and is really fit for purpose in this beautiful playground. Moama is a small country town, but you can't help but noticing all the bollards as you drive around town. 5 minutes from town is Deep Creek Marina, a vibrant hub where the houseboats come together with the hotel. Beautifully surrounded by recycled plastic brown 100mm bollards. You can see more bollards with speed humps just controlling the traffic as you enter into the gateway lifestyle. Sluggy Waters is a brand new resort right in Moama. You can see the use of utility waterboard products, speed limit signs, there's furniture throughout the park and also bollards as you go down to the boat ramp. Horseshoe Lagoon connects the Moama Bowling Club up with the Murray where the main wharf is in Moama. Enduro-plank has replaced the old timber boardwalk. This is an excellent choice of products and materials in this beautiful ecosystem. The main beach in Moama is covered with recycled plastic wheel stop, disabled parking, bollards to keep the cars in place, and also a beautiful Enduro-plank boardwalk leading down to the main beach. The Botanical Gardens in Moama is surrounded by bollards, which just keeps the cars and the people in the right places. In the summertime, every Sunday they have the famous Moama Market. This is right in the Echuca Community Skate Park. We have signage made of recycled plastic, oval benches, modified bollards and wheel stops throughout. It's where the community comes together each Sunday, and to see that beautiful recycled plastic products is just a great example of the circular economy. Just out of town at 5 Mile Boat Ramp is the mountain bike trails. This is another great thing that Moama offers the tourists, where we've got bollards with specialised signage just assisting with the mountain bike trails. One of the great reasons people come to Moama is the mighty Murray River, and there's resorts all throughout there. And Moama Waters is another one of those great resorts, but they've used recycled plastic. The Moama Wharf is the hub of activity for Moama. The big paddle steamers like the Emmylou dock there, and when the Murray rises, it's obviously underwater. The Enduro-plank recycled plastic planking is a perfect choice in this area. It's been down now for 3 or 4 years, and if you look at it, it looks brand new. Another great accolade of the circular economy. You've just seen some great examples of what a small regional town can do. Moama is building way above its weight and showing the world what is possible with a circular economy.